Hey guys, welcome to Drew Tutorial. If you are new here, special welcome. In this video, I will show you how to fix 2026 03 security update. So the first thing that we are going to do is to open services. So just click on Run as Administrator. And then once you're now here, what we're going to do is to just click any services, and then on your keyboard, just press W and then look for Windows Update. So just scroll down right here, and then you should be able to see Windows Update. So what we're going to do is to right click on it and then click on Properties. After that, for the startup type, make sure that it is set to automatic and then make sure that the service is running. So if it is not running, just click on Start and then click on Apply and then OK. Once you do that, just restart your PC and then that should fix your problem. However, if it is still not working, then the last thing that we can do is to install our Windows. So go into our search bar and then search for Factory Reset and then click on Reset this PC. So once you do that, what we're going to do next is to click on Reset this PC right here and then click on Keep My Files. And then we're going to click on Local Reinstall. So click on Local Reinstall and then we're going to click on Change Settings. And then we're going to uncheck this and then click on Confirm. And then after that, just click on Next again. And then once you do that, just click on Next again. And then after that, your Windows will now be reinstalled into your PC. But don't worry because your files will still be there. So that is basically it.